Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel. If this is your first time visiting, welcome. If you've been here before, welcome back. And please, if you haven't already done so, please subscribe to the channel. Okay, you guys, so this video is basically a response to the last video that I put up. Now, I'm aware that I was out of frame so badly, and I just felt bad. I said, you know something, I have to get on here and I have to, you know, make up for that, because it's a very easy technique to do once you guys see what I did, and anybody can literally do this. Okay, it cuts out, you know, having to use the little bottles of, you know, the alcohol inks and stuff like that. It's not messy at all, and there is no cleanup from it, you know, or very minimal cleanup from it, you know. So I really wanted to show this technique, especially for all of my beginners that's out here that's, you know, trying to get into, you know, nails and nail designs. This is a very easy technique that you can use even if you're working in salon, or if you're, you know, just working for yourself. It's very fast and it's easy to do. So what I'm going to do is re-show everything that I did. You know, I'm going to use a couple different colors, and yeah, that's what I'm going to do. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over all of these nails right here with the Zula's rubber gel base, and then because it's white and it adds some thickness to these nails, which I wanted. And after that, I'm going to clean off the sticky layer, and then I'm going to top the nails with a matte polish, which is going to be my Votino Vomatic. I'm going over all of this with you guys because once I get into the design, the video is going to be sped up, and I didn't want to try to do a voiceover because I don't know how to do it that well. So I just figured I'll just do a separate video in the beginning of the initial video explaining what I'm doing, so you guys can understand what I'm doing. Okay, so without further ado, let's get into the design.